My people, how you doing? I want to welcome you to Certain Media DIY Secrets. This is secret number 0. And I'm going to tell you my story. I wanted to be a professional musician once, and I still do, sort of. I bought musical equipment when I had the money for it. I've tried out for singing groups. I've done all kinds of things in the music industry. Then I realized it might not be my destiny to be a professional musician. And not everybody who wants to be a professional musician should be one. It's up to each of us to figure that out for ourselves. So maybe you have a similar story. Maybe you're on your way to being a professional musician. This video is not meant to stop you from doing that, but I do want to make you think. If playing music for people lights your soul on fire, and if hitting that certain chord with your bandmates really is your spiritual experience, then you might be in the right place. But if you get nervous and you're absolutely mortified before you go on stage and play for people, it might be time to rethink things. Now, everyone gets nervous before they get on stage. Most people do. I still do from time to time, and that's normal. You're human. But if you're literally terrified and getting sick before you go on stage, this isn't the work for you. My idea here is to make you ask, is this really what I should be doing? I once heard it takes over 10 years for the average overnight success. Looking at the book Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell, that 10 years makes a lot of sense when you think of it in context of 10,000 hours. Just know that overnight success is a myth, and it's going to take years of practice and obsessive dedication to your craft to be proficient. Depending on how much success you want, you have to have a work ethic that will match the price that you're looking for. If you want to be a millionaire, you're going to have to put in $1 million worth of effort every single day. But if you only want $10 an hour, you can also put in about $10 an hour worth of work. Now, of course, there'll be days when you can't work on your craft, but you can always put ideas in your phone or wherever else to come back to later. Again, if you want to have more, you're going to have to work harder. Also work smarter, but you're going to have to work hard. And the harder you work, the luckier you're going to get. If you want to be a champion or reach those elite levels of whatever industry you're in, you're going to have to work harder than anyone else. Think about Michael Jordan. He was always in the gym before anybody started and after everybody left. That's the kind of dedication you're going to need to put in. It takes time. These are natural laws we're dealing with here, not some sort of magic. And in the next section, we're going to get into what those natural laws and numbers really are. That's Certain Media DIY Secret number 0.5, so you want to be a DIY musician.